This 2013 Audi S5 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 2013 Audi S5 Prestige Cabriolet $69,645 MSRP. New 3.0L supercharged engine, 7-speed Astronic transmission, Audi adaptive light, Audi side assist, Audi advanced key bang and amp, Olufsen sound system, 19 UOT, 5-segment spoke wheel, carbon atlas inlays, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation system, rear view camera, front parking assist, rear parking assist, heated front seats, memory front seat, steering column mounted gear shift, paddles, power rear trunk open, keyless and tri-keyless start, heated exterior mirrors, automatic power windows, power folding mirrors, sibless white exterior, black leather interior, black convertible soft top. Vehicle comes with floor mats, owner's manual, original window sticker, 2 sets of keys. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2013 Audi S5 Cabriolet is no exception. We provide low-cost world. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.